I want to talk to you about one-page business plan software. So if you want to really write a business plan and you just want to have a one page, here are the top tools I want you to really pay attention to. The first one I want to share with you is called Plain Snack. And the cool thing about Plain Snack is that it's actually free, okay? And there are no gimmicks, there are no shenanigans. It's really free. The company actually makes money through other ways, but the business plan software itself is actually free. And so the way you want to really get things started with Plain Snack is to actually register. You want to put your email, first name, last name, your company's name, and just follow the prompts. So the guidance is user friendly, very user friendly. So you are able to create your one page business plan real fast. Okay, so you have step-by-step guidance through Plain Snack, and the step-by-step guidance again, it's very user friendly. So what you want to do is you are able to actually write your one page business plan. The cool thing is there are even templates. There are one-page business plan templates that you can really adapt to your specific startup or to your specific business, okay? If for any reason you're not inspired to write a full-fledged business plan, you can just hop on the templates that they have. And so the whole process takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and it's a pretty fast, okay? And the process is also incredibly easy to use. I mean, they have actually worked a lot when it comes to user experience, when it comes to user friendliness. So if you're looking for a business plan software tool that's easy to use and also quick to implement, go with plainsnack.com, okay? And the cool thing is that you are able to actually write your business plan, but also get funding. I mean, Plain Snack has actually partnered with, let's say, investors with funding sources, and they can really pass on those sources or resources to you, okay? But again, Plain Snack is free in every sense of the word, so you can create, print, download, and share your business plan all for free, and there are no gimmicks. And the thing is that if you want to really use Plain Snack, just follow the prompts, follow the survey, like the Q&A that Plain Snack has, and you should be able to have in 5 to 10 minutes your one-page business plan. If you're looking for a one-page business plan software this year, I want you to think about HubSpot. Now, HubSpot actually has carved out a name for itself when it comes to telemarketing, when it comes to CRM, when it comes to let's say affiliate marketing. So HubSpot is not really your go-to one-page software, but what they have is that they have a bunch of templates. Okay, so think about HubSpot as a CRM, as an ERP of sorts. ERP of sorts. So enterprise resource planning software of sorts that has templates, one-page business plan software templates. Okay, and the cool thing about the templates is that you have 8 short sections: business opportunity, industry analysis, target market, company description, timeline, marketing plan, financial plan, and funding requirements. So those are really the quintessential elements you want to have in a typical business plan. And HubSpot has done a great job at replicating those sections, okay? And you have easy instructions for each section. That's kind of cool. And you are able to actually have things done within 5 to 15 minutes, okay? And in the end, you can download the document as a PDF or as a Word document, okay? You can print it, you can email it, you can send it via Morse code. It's up to you, not a problem, okay? And the cool thing about the one-page business plan you have with HubSpot is that you have, let's say, very specific guidance, okay? And what you want to do is you want to enter your contact details to download the template in Microsoft Word or as a PDF. But by the way, this one-page software tool is also free. The way HubSpot makes money is by maybe hoping to enroll you into their other services. Okay, so HubSpot does a lot of stuff, especially when it comes to digital marketing. So if they can really, they look at this free one-page business software as a magnet, okay, as a marketing magnet. So that's really the cool thing here. And the way you want to really take advantage of HubSpot is to really make sure you have all your business information ready before actually signing up and start just filling out the sections. If you're looking for a one-page business plan software, I want you to think about LivePlan. Now, LivePlan is a great name when it comes to a regular business plan software. We have actually reviewed LivePlan on other shows, so this is a fantastic business plan software maker, and they actually have they've seen an opportunity in this one-page business plan software sort of niche. Okay, so LivePlan actually really is giving you an opportunity to write a business plan on one page using its expertise that it has acquired over several decades. Okay, not several decades, several years. Okay, and all you have to do here is that with LivePlan, you have the help of AI, so you have inspiration from artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and so on and so forth. So you're not just writing your one-page business plan from scratch. You're getting help from automation. Okay, so you're able in the end to have a pretty let's say optimal business plan software, one-page business plan software. Now, is it free? Yeah, the template itself is free, but behind LivePlan hopes to actually enroll you as a full client, right? Because, like I said, they have a full-fledged business plan like the one you have regularly, 50 pages, 75 pages, and that's how they want to make money off of you. But the one-page business plan template itself is free for you to download, for you to really do whatever. You can share and export, not a problem, okay? And the cool thing is that you can also pitch your plan for funding or feedback. So LivePlan does a good job in terms of letting you export your one-page business plan as a PowerPoint pitch deck or a PDF, so you can quickly present your business plan whatever and whenever you want, okay? And the cool thing is you can also publish your plan as a secret web page to be shared with others, allowing you to securely get feedback from the people you know and trust. Now, if you want to really take advantage of those features, you will have to pay for stuff. But if you just want to have the business plan and to just download it, that's fine. But if you want to have a secured page to actually share it as a landing page of sorts, then you have to pay for stuff. If you're looking for a one-page business plan software this year, I want you to think about B-Plans. And B-Plans actually is an offshoot of LivePlan. Not even an offshoot. It's actually part of LivePlan. It's actually another ancillary product that very independent, by the way. So B-Plans actually runs as an independent company. So through B-Plans, you can also have one-page business plan templates, okay? And the whole thing is free through B-Plan, not a problem, okay? And you don't need days or even hours to actually finish your one-page business plan through B-Plans. It takes about 15 to 30 minutes. So, and in that time frame, what you can do is that B-Plans will give you inspirations based on your niche, based on your industry, to actually flesh out your strategy. Okay, you can develop an initial business plan that you can really tweak over and over and over. Okay, and the cool thing is you can actually share this business plan with friends and family and investors too. Okay, and also business partners, by the way. Okay. And the template you have through B-Plans is pretty impressive, pretty sleek, and also it is in a format that you can really you can tweak. Okay, you can tweak from PDF to Microsoft Doc to a PowerPoint and so on and so forth. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. And one thing I want to say here is that when you think about B-Plans, you have two great ways to build your plan. You can use their free template. So basically, you get a blank template and instructions for how to build your one-page plan, or you can just go through LivePlan software. Like I said, B-Plans is part of LivePlan. Okay, so you can use LivePlan software to actually build your plan step by step. And the cool thing is that you are able to get things done real fast. And what I want to say is that if you're looking for just a template, go for it, okay? Or, by the way, LivePlan has a service also whereby they rely on experts, okay, human experts, to write your business plan. So this is an ancillary service that B plans and also live plan have. So if for any reason you don't feel inspired and you just want to have some touch of professionalism to your business plan, maybe this is the time to actually reach out to a live plan and B plan to actually ask them if their team can actually take over and help you out. Okay, that way you can really get things done faster. You know, it's faster. It's a great format for feedback. The plan they give you, it's pretty easy to update because they'll give you a format where you can really tweak things as you see fit. So that's really good from a flexibility point of view, but also from an accountability point of view. This is fantastic. So B plans, another free template for one-page software. If you're looking for a one-page business plan software, I want you to think about Monday.com. And Monday.com is essentially a project management tool. So this is not your typical business plan software tool as LivePlan is, right? LivePlan is a typical business plan software. But Monday.com is primarily a project management tool, like I said, but they also have all kinds of, it's actually an ecosystem. Monday.com is pretty similar to Zoho. You know, if you've heard the name Zoho before, it's an ecosystem. So it's an ecosystem of software tools, including CRM, including digital marketing, including human resources, and now you have business plan software. So if you go to Monday.com, you have actually a template. So you will have a template, a one-page business plan template for you to download. The download is free. But if you want to use Monday.com as a tool itself, you have to pay for your stuff. Okay, like I said, Monday.com is actually an ecosystem. It's not just an isolated software tool. No, you are really getting into an entire ecosystem. Okay, and the cool thing about Monday.com is that if you download their templates actually are pretty interactive. Not only they are complete, the templates are complete, but also interactive. Interactive in the sense that you have elements such as vision statements and strategic objectives of your business, customer segments your business will serve, okay, and you have an overview of the product or service you will provide. The cool thing is that all these things I'm telling you, those are really tweakable, those are editable, those are definitely adaptable, okay. And Monday.com also has gives you the ability to actually get things done in a project management sort of perspective. I'm showing you on the screen here. Here is basically a project management view of the business plan. You can see here on the screen, it's you have a team involved status, dependent task, priority, timeline, deadline, budget, document. So you can see everything is centralized here in this. I'm showing you another screenshot. This is the business plan template, okay, with every section. So you have executive summary, you have vision, mission, and so on and so forth. So again, everything is tweakable, everything is really editable based on your specific business. If you're looking for one-page business plan software, I want you to think about Smartsheet. So similar to Monday.com, Smartsheet is primarily a project management tool that actually has templates for one-page business plan, okay? So if you're looking for a one-page business plan real fast, then you can really get it, okay, through Smartsheet. And what you will love through Smartsheet is that Smartsheet actually functions with Excel spreadsheets. So you have a compilation of Excel spreadsheets. So you can really organize your business plan through Excel spreadsheets, but also through timelines. And I want you to see on the screen here, I'm showing you right now, let's say a one-page business plan, business planning templates with timeline. So basically you have a one-page business plan, but you have more than that, okay? You have more than that. You have the ability to actually look at based on the phases. You have the everything is actually structured based on the tasks, the phases, starts, and the number of days, right? This is typically a project management dashboard that Smartsheet has been able to adapt to the business planning software world, if you will. And so you're able to create a simple outline for your plan using bullet points, again with guidance coming from Smartsheet. Okay, so again, the vision, I mean, the specific elements you want to have in your business plan. This will include the plan summary, the offerings, the market analysis, the competitive analysis, marketing and sales plan, operations plan, financial plan. So all of those things will be given to you. Okay, Smartsheet is not just letting you do things by yourself. No, you are able to get things done. But by the way, you are able to see a series of questions from Smartsheet, and the answers of which will help you actually write your one-page business plan seamlessly. Okay, so if you want to go through a Smartsheet, be sure that you love the project management sort of aspects of things, and that you are able also to handle the spreadsheet sort of the base work that Smartsheet actually brings to the table. So, but again, if you can, this is a fantastic tool. It is a fully editable. That's what you will love. And the template itself is free. Okay, it's free, and they have templates based on the industry too. So you have a business plan one-page business plan templates for nonprofits, for healthcare, for hospitality, for consulting. So you have to choose one template that adapts to your specific industry. If you're looking for a one-page business plan software, I want you to really think about the one-page business plan company. Okay, this is actually a great concept and a great company. And the cool thing is that this is a cloud-based management and results-oriented system that helps ensure plans and goals created at the beginning of the year are implemented and achieved at the end of the year. So that's kind of cool. And what the one-page business plan company does pretty well is that it really adapts to your specific industry, and it also adapts to your specific company size. So based on the number of staff members that are involved in the business planning process, the one-page business plan will adapt. Okay, and so basically, this company helps senior leaders to get clear about what they truly want and communicate that to their teams in a way that works. And so the cool thing is that you are able to get a plan, but the plan is not free. That's the only thing. The plan through the one-page business plan company is not free. So if you're looking for a one-page business plan software, a free one, don't go with this plan. But if you want a quality one and you're willing to pay for it, you might consider the one-page business plan company. Okay. And so the company has put in place a process that really makes things a lot easy for a lot of businesses, a lot of established businesses, but also about a lot of startups. Okay, and so their methodology works because it is simple, intuitive, tactical, and strategic. And basically, they allow you to create plans in a fast and easy manner with a one-page business plan template, an online plan publisher, and also you have from them expert coaching. Okay, and it works equally well for both newly promoted managers and experienced executives. So one-page plans create a culture of alignment, accountability, and predictable results. So that's kind of cool from a flexibility point of view. You know, you're really covered and you can get things done that really, really fast, and also in a very efficient manner. So the bottom line into this conversation, I spoke to you about one-page business plan software. I give you the top tools, and now the bottom line. The tools include Plan Snack, HubSpot, LivePlan, B-Plans, Monday.com, Smartsheet, and the one-page business plan company. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.